hope you're all doing well. As part of my cookbook review sections, I would actually like to cover the one cookbook that has actually influenced my life, in particular over lockdown. It is the one and only Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook. This book has been absolutely tremendous. I think Ottolenghi has been possibly the most influential in the UK, and it's really, and there's also globally as well, in particular, you know, in America and in Australia, as all within the title, simple, because it actually teaches you how to naturally buy ingredients. And now I don't have to refer to the book. I almost have alive in my head key simple ingredients to buy in advance that I have and store in, whether it's be ambient products but also fresh products. It teaches you to really have a very wide range of a diet, with a majority actually plant-based. Yes, really key reference here is what the Simple Cookbook is all about. Short on time, ingredients, 10 or less, absolutely key. Make ahead, pantry, lazy, and easier than you think. And actually his new cookbook, Flavor, is actually a lot on make ahead and pantry and lazy, these three key principles here. In particular with the section at the end of the book which covers flavour bombs, things you can make in advance. I've actually created a playlist for you. I have to give this book a 10 out of 10. Really love Jay Rayner's column in The Guardian, which is actually covering cookbooks. He covered Nigella last week, but he's also covered Ottolenghi, and these are kind of the key chefs that have been absolutely brilliant. English food does have a lot of bad stigma, but we are now a multicultural society, and it's through the real good work that Ottolenghi and other people have done that have really changed and influenced the way we eat, in particular over the past 10 years. I really like the illustrations in here. Someone for a novice chef like myself who's rediscovering how to cook plant-based foods and really simple foods from scratch, and that's what this book is all about. Cooking simple foods from scratch, more plant-based. Contents of this is, we got a really nice introduction. We have brunch, raw veg, cooked veg, rice, grains and pulses, noodles and pasta, meat, fish and puddings, and a really nice little ending here with meal suggestions, feasts, and also Ottolenghi ingredients where you can actually purchase online. The key things you need to get. These are just kind of like the ingredients to get. The 10 simple ingredients. Also ground cardamom, sumac, satar, chili flakes, ground cardamom, pomegranate molasses, rose harissa, tahini, barberries, black garlic, and preserved lemon, which has been a really new key thing that I've discovered. I've also covered a lot of playlists with recipes from Ottolenghi, so please check out. Another thing that this book has really taught me to do is to create lots of foods in advance that you can actually have as side dishes. You can almost create just a mezzy, so when you have, obviously when lockdown lifts and you have people around, you can have a table in the garden, you can just put a whole spread of foods out. So I've actually covered a lot of my favourite recipes, so please do check in the playlist, covered Ottolenghi recipes. Yes, really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do check out my playlist for other cookbooks, which I've covered quite a few now, and please don't forget, a lot of love and passion going into this show. Please do subscribe. And also make sure you turn on your notifications, ring, so that you get the release of my videos. Enjoy.